Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix spline performance issues. If your projects feel laggy, animations stutter, the editor responds slowly, or scenes take too long to load, don't worry. Yeah, performance problems are common when working with complex three-dimensional projects, but there are several ways to improve things. Let's go through the best fixes step by step in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Since Spline relies heavily on cloud-based features, a slow connection can affect loading times and overall responsiveness. Next, review your scene and remove anything unnecessary. Too many objects, lights, animations, or high-resolution textures can put extra strain on your system and reduce performance. Now check your imported assets. Large texture files and detailed models can consume a lot of resources, so optimizing them can make a noticeable difference. Another helpful step is closing programs you're not currently using. Yeah, background applications can consume memory and processing power that Spline needs. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Outdated cached files can sometimes slow down web-based tools and cause unexpected performance issues. Make sure you're running the latest version of your browser. Browser updates often include performance improvements and compatibility fixes that help applications run more smoothly. If performance issues continue, try opening the project on another device. This can help you determine whether the problem is related to your project or your hardware, and that's basically it. Those are some of the best ways to fix Spline performance issues in 2026. Hopefully, these tips helped make your projects run faster and feel more responsive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.